Hey everyone, I'm Aykut, and in today's video, I'll walk you through a practical AI project. It's a catalog chatbot that helps e-commerce teams answer product-related questions instantly using their internal catalog data. This is part of my AI series designed to help teams get more from automation without needing a massive tech stack. Before moving forward, I'd like to ask this question. Why did I build this? The answer is, in any e-commerce business, product data is everything, but most of it is buried in spreadsheets, ERP systems, or clunky PIMs. That means even simple questions like, what fabric is this chair? Or is this item still in stock? Can take minutes or more to answer. I built this chatbot to solve exactly that. It is designed to load structured product data, understand natural language questions, respond instantly with accurate, helpful product information. To create this chatbot, I needed a clean, well-structured data that I can use. And in this project, I used Amazon data set made available by Bright Data through GitHub. It is very well structured. It contains all key columns, such as title, description, categories, rating, and prices, of course. This project uses Python and Pandas for data preparation, sentence transformers for embeddings, Gradio for the interface, and optionally OpenAI or another LLM for better language replies. You can host it locally or deploy it to Hugging Face spaces or your own server. Let me give you a quick overview of how it works. We start with data load, of course. It needs to be a cleaned up product catalog, and it should include fields like SKU, material, color, stock numbers, and pricing. And then embedding generation is another important component of this project. Using sentence transformers, we turn every product record into a vector so that the chatbot can understand and compare embeddings behind queries. Search and retrieval. That's another important component in this project. When a user types or speaks a question, we turn that into a vector and use cosine similarity to find the most relevant product. Of course, response generation. Once we find relevant matches, we format a response using templates or a lightweight GPT workflow. In this project, the front end is built using Gradio. It's a super lightweight and beautiful interface for demos. As you can see, the user types a question or uploads a voice query, and then the chatbot responds instantly with product details or suggestions. Behind the scenes, it's doing a full similarity match against the catalog embeddings. Also added voice support. This is particularly useful for showroom staff or mobile users. Just tap the mic icon, ask something like, do we have this in black? And the chatbot will respond immediately. No typing needed. I think this chatbot is ideal for catalog managers, sales rep in any kind of business, but particularly in furniture or fashion, online store teams that deal with complex product attributes. It really cuts down on Slack messages, Excel lookup, or any delays. Just you let your team focus on your work. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at where this project can go next. And it's pretty exciting. E-commerce integration comes first, of course. Possible to connect the chatbot to platforms like Shopify, e-commerce, to pull live product data, price, stock, shipping time, or deploy it where your team works. You could just message the bot, such as, "Do we have any bar stools under 100 pounds?" and get an instant answer. A multilingual support can be added as a feature development to this app. With translation or multilingual models, it can work seamlessly across regional teams or international. Of course, analytic dashboard would be very useful to log user questions, identify product confusion, missing specs, all from actual usage data. Maybe the most important one, built-in payment flow. With a checkout integration via Stripe or PayPal, the chatbot can go beyond answering questions to actually closing the sale.